Guys, if your car only runs Apple CarPlay or Android Auto when it's plugged in, you're missing out. This is the ATOTO CB6. It's a wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter that doesn't just cut the cable, it turns your dashboard into a full-blown Android system. That means streaming apps, GPS, games, and even SIM card connectivity, all right from your car's screen. So stick around to find out just how cool this device is. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the ATOTO CB6 and it works with any car that already has wired Android Auto or wired CarPlay. It converts that connection to wireless, so you just start your car and it connects. No cables needed, but it's also a complete Android device, so you could install apps, stream video, obviously when parked, run navigation independently, and even use the AI assistant. I mean, it's like putting a tablet into your car's infotainment system without replacing the head unit. Now guys, before we get into it, ATOTO reached out to me and asked me to take a look at this media adapter and give it my honest review. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we've got the CB6 unit, compact and nicely finished. There's a micro SD card slot, a SIM card slot for mobile data, and obviously you get a SIM card with it with some trial data on it, free, and a USB port for connection. Now this package includes multiple cables. You've got a USB-C to USB-C, you've got a USB-C to USB-A, and you've got this dual USB-A Y cable for cars that need separate power and data connections, and these are all listed for you for your convenience in the instructions. You also get a SIM card ejector tool, a warranty booklet, and a quick start manual with the QR code on it to get a full guide of what this little box can do. And like I said guys, you get this SIM card free, a test with a trial 100, I don't know if it's megabytes or gigabytes. I'm going to say it's megabytes of data, 100 megabytes of data. So like I said, in order to use the CB6, your car just needs to have wired Android Auto or Apple CarPlay and a screen interface. And whether you use the touch screen to interact with it or some kind of touchpad, both are going to work just fine. Now, switching between Android Auto and CarPlay is manual. You hold down a small button for a few seconds to toggle modes, and once it's set, it remembers your choice. I didn't need to do this though, as the CB6 booted up in CarPlay mode, which is what I use because I've got an iPhone. For data, you can use a SIM card or you can tether it to your phone's hotspot. And if you're not running CarPlay or Android Auto, you can use native Android apps right on the unit, which of course gives you a ton more flexibility in what you can install and use over the standard CarPlay or Android Auto options. Specs wise, the CB6 packs 8GB of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage with room for more via an SD card. Now when this CB6 is powered up, you know this because you get an LED ring and that shows you that everything is up and running. Now when I start the car, my phone connects wirelessly to CarPlay or Android Auto almost instantly. Responsiveness is excellent. Apps like Spotify and navigation load very quickly, and there's minimal lag compared to other wireless adapters that I've tried. Now, when using it as an Android device, you get full access to apps like YouTube, Prime Video, Netflix, Google Maps, IPTV, and all of that kind of stuff. You get Bluetooth music streaming and more. You can even sideload APKs. The built-in AI assistant, Drive Chat, integrates with the system so you can ask questions or control features using your voice. Now, there's also a neat vehicle tracking feature if you keep a SIM card in it, which is handy for finding your car when parked or for a bit of added security. But I have to say, the standout feature for me are actually using this as an Android media box, as my passengers can watch whatever they want, making the journey a lot more pleasurable for them. I mean, it's great if you've got kids and you need to keep them entertained, and that means you're not constrained with the usual limitations that you get with CarPlay or Android Auto. So guys, there you have it. The ATOTO CB6 takes your in-car experience to another level. It gives you the freedom of wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, plus the flexibility of an Android system with entertainment, navigation and productivity apps all in one device. Whether you're streaming while parked, navigating on the road or just enjoying the convenience of cable-free CarPlay, it delivers smooth performance and tons of features. And if you've got those little kids in the car or even passengers, they're going to be suitably well entertained. And if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to ATOTO for sending me this cool little media box to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.